To lock the Facebook app on your iPhone device, you can use the built-in screen time feature to create a passcode for the app usage. Here's a step-by-step guide to do that. Tap the Settings app on your device. Locate and tap on Screen Time. Tap on Turn on Screen Time and you follow the prompts to set up the screen time passcode. It has to be different from your device passcode. Then you tap Use Screen Time Passcode to create a 4-digit passcode and you re-enter the passcode to confirm. Now let's create a passcode. Good. Then you enter the email associated with your iPhone device. You tap on the OK button at the top and you enter your Apple ID password. Once that is done, you tap the next button at the top to confirm what you're doing. Now under the screen time menu, you tap on App Limits and you add your screen time passcode if prompted. Select Socials to see all your limits. Now you select Socials to see all your social media apps. Then you tap on the checkbox next to Facebook. You tap on the next button and you choose a time limit for daily usage of your Facebook app. Now you choose a time limit to effectively lock the app. Then you tap the Add button at the top right to apply the limits. You can also set a schedule for when you want to limit app usage by enabling downtime. You tap on it, then you toggle the switch to on the scheduled button. If you forget the screen time passcode, you can reset it using your Apple ID credentials if set up during the screen time configuration. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye.